That's something that some of the larger scale, more expensive consoles have done for a little while, but one of the things that 088 have established a market reputation for is bringing technology that people have used at that level down to a much lower market level and price point, so it becomes a more accessible console overall. And that's something that we're pretty proud of, and we're building on with things like our iPhone remote, which we launched back at Frankfurt, and then launching here is also the iPad remote. So you can actually get full remote monitor displays on either an iPad or a Windows application networked into the console. So as a lighting designer, you can sit there and get networked displays of what's happening on your console. The iPad one in particular, I think, is particularly cool. So the lighting designer can sit in the auditorium next to the director or wherever they choose. They can even walk around on stage, and they've still got a constant reference of what's going on stage, what cues are happening, what levels are happening, and so on. So it really is a great thing for them to be able to look at and make their notes as to cue updates without having to disturb the board up over cans or be fixed into a position with a console in front of them. So we've built on that to really grow.
Brilliant, Peter. That's really good. We're running out of time on this.
Sure.
In what way is it innovative? Is it because of the way it's brought in functions from other desks like HOG3 and that sort of thing? Is that something that is unique to your desk? It's
the accessibility of those functions and the fact that different users from different areas are able to use and find a comfort level with the product.
Okay, brilliant.
And is that because there's many different ways to achieve the same thing, or is it because the way to do it is a combination of different
There are many different ways, but in certain scenarios it's also the other where there is a sort of amalgamated methods. So, but there are, for example, recording a cue, you can record Q1 enter or Q1 record, so whichever syntax you're familiar with.
Thanks.
Fantastic. Please, thank you very much.
Thank you. Sure.
Thank you.